Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the workbook where Excel tracks versions, OneDrive or SharePoint. Sign in, then save as to that cloud location. This is required. Once saved, switch Auto-Save to On so Excel captures changes automatically. Auto-Save is the engine that creates version snapshots. Make sure the file name displays the cloud path, otherwise Excel won't record history. Now that the file lives in the cloud and Auto-Save is active, you're ready to access version history. Once done, open version history to inspect past copies. In Desktop, Excel go to File, Info, then Version History. Excel for Web shows it when you click the file name or right-click in OneDrive. You'll see a list of snapshots with timestamps and editor names. Use the preview to confirm content before action. If you need to compare, open a previous version in a new window to examine differences. These steps let you choose the correct snapshot to restore or save as a separate file. To finish, pick the version you want and either restore it, which replaces the current file, or download a copy so you keep both versions. Once restored, Excel creates a new version entry, so nothing is permanently lost. If version history isn't visible, check that the workbook is actually stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, confirm Auto-Save is enabled, and ensure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. Also confirm sync is not paused. If that fails, open the file in Excel for Web to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.